Welcome back. Coming to the cloud computing assignment 4. So what type of vendor is Microsoft Azure? So it is of a IaaS, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service, and software as a service. So all the three are the right options. What does Azure App Service Plans define? So reason, scale count, instance size, all of the above. Which of the following is a computational role provided by Azure Web Role? Which of the following is the services offered by Google Cloud Platform? All of the above. Google App Engine is an infrastructure as a service component of GCP. This is false. The Azure Web App provides a dash for your code and provides a dash to view the deployed app. Hosting space, URL. Google App Engine helps end users application scalability. This is true. Google APIs integrate Google services to the end user application. This is also true. So both statements are true. Google Cloud Storage provides you with the MySQL and NoSQL databases. Google Cloud endpoints help migration of web applications to Google Cloud Platform. So neither statement 1 nor statement 2 are true. An Azure resource group is a logical container into which Azure resources like web apps, databases, and storage accounts are deployed and managed. This is true. Which of the following are the components of Azure? All these are the components: compute, database, networking are the components of the Azure. So now you can submit your answers. Before submitting, go through the answers once. So if you have any doubts regarding the answers, you can just write in the comment box so that we can have a small discussion about the answers. Thank you.